Beer and fight. Hello all.
DjVolgin. Il était pas là, on l'avait volé tout le coup. Coucou, smoothie. Soup. Scorpion and soup. Gotcha.
You Shaolin monks exceed your reputation. I respect your spirit, but Kronika's will must be done. It's dangerous to let them live.
If they die, their revenant selves will cease to exist. We need them to defend the keep. Yet again, Liu Kang, you've chosen the wrong destiny.
Kriegt noch ordentlich aus dem Maul.
I now have the energy to re-sculpt the sands of time. The Netherrealm's undead army will protect the keep as I work. Shao Kahn.
Anti-OSTMK11 URL.
Soon, it will be mine once Kotal is killed.
Live
And what
Chomkable
is your
2.
progress, Sector?
The Cyberlink Quay factory is modified to your specifications. Production exceeds projections.
Lord Raiden, what did the Elder God say?
We must find
ihr gerade gegen euch
wrest the
selbst
control
gekämpft?
of history from her. If we succeed, our destiny can change.
So what we were told is true? You were
Ihr knallt töten.
involved in our deaths?
Muss das
Yes.
Popcorn in der Mikrowelle wieder
Had the
nicht bei euch
timeline
werden.
continued, my decisions would have led to your deaths.
Und
But the Elder Gods assure me that such a future is not inevitable. This is but one of many possible timelines.
That is a lot to take on faith.
Rest assured, Kung Lao. I am aware now of what may come. I will not bring harm to either of you. You have my vow.
Thank you, Lord Raiden.
We must find Kronika's keep and strike it. As hard and as fast as we
You're
can
not
muster.
really laying
before
trust
all
in a
is
German
lost.
and Bavarian.
What have you learned about Kronika's effect on Earthrealm?
We're tracking sites around the globe with major temporal anomalies. Picture's still fuzzy.
Our kid's something, isn't she?
We see no pattern so far.
Cage. I'm not your Sonya.
Sorry. Too easy to forget.
We've prioritized info that correlates attacks from the Netherrealm with time anomalies.
Helpful. But we have more to worry about than the Netherrealm.
Yeah, we do. Grandmaster Sub-Zero reports heavy losses to his Lin Kuei clan. The Time Merger has resurrected his old enemy, Sector.
Sector? Was he not the Grandmaster who years ago enslaved the Lin Kuei?
That's him. He's reactivating and upgrading the same factory he built to convert the Lin Kuei into cyber killing machines.
Undoubtedly, to construct new and more powerful cyber Lin Kuei. Kronika may seek to co-opt them. What of Sub-Zero?
Already on his way to shut down the factory. Grandmaster Hasashi is going with him.
Grandmaster Hasashi? Hanzo Hasashi?
Your rule changer. Så ser alles gut bei euch. How's the situation going? Scoping around about actually waifus or something? Scott.
Your hearing
Oh, you
is
really
feeling,
care about that
Sub-Zero.
shit?
I recognized your footsteps, Hanzo.
Where's Sector? I will not let him threaten my clan again.
The old cyber
Because
Lin Kuei
fuck
factory
her.
was...
Have a fight.
Keep Cyrax alive. We need him.
Soup, scop, soup.
There is no future in which you are the Lin Kuei.
You always doubted me, Sub-Zero. Held me back. Kronika sees my true potential.
No fucking robots.
Fight.
Don't hesitate and have fun each other.
Warmed up yet?
Witzig geworden, ha? More.
You deceive yourself, Frost.
We defend Kronika as she rewrites
Du
history.
cheatest also.
So you're nothing but
Du bist
pawns.
ein Stück Scheiße wert.
Lin Kuei's glory in the
Ich
new
hasse
era.
Cheater. Stoppen Sie.
Take the others.
Holy God.
You've been enslaved, Cyrax. First by Sector, now by Kronika. It ends today.
Erbärmlich und schade, um dich auf den Müll zu werfen.
will be freed. Hurry, before we face more cyber Lin Kuei. You'll need a moment to initialize. Sector, show yourself!
Recognize me, little brother.
Bihan?
Yes, it is I.
You were killed, swallowed in a storm of souls.
Quan Chi's creations do not die easily. Kronika offers me a new clan
Schaut gut
to
aus.
lead.
Brennt doch so gut wie ich.
Its shadow will darken the realms.
Asche zur Flamme.
I've beaten your brother before.
Flamme
Quan Chi unleashed your
Flasche.
vengeance. Without him, you are weak.
Fight! My strength is more than vengeance.
No. He ripped out my heart. Made me a machine.
Your soul is intact, Cyrax. Trust me. I speak from experience.
Kuan Yang. Is that you? You look so old.
And again.
We'll explain later.
You river Mortal Kombat. I can't survive.
The cyber Lincoln's destruction. We
Footstep
need your help,
action
Cyrax.
crawling down.
I can disable their communications network. It'll shut down this factory and every cyber Lin Kuei connected to it. Frost warned me that you two had become allies.
Suppensee.
I did not think you capable of such.
What did they say? Actually, you need to get a piece of this crack. Wasn't there thunder out there?
Sub-Zero.
Aid Cyrax. Sector is mine.
That was very close.
I've taken your head once, Sector. I will do it again.
The past you know is no longer set. The Cyber Lin Kuei will usher in Kronika's new era. Fight! I'll reformat the system drives and shut us all down. Goodbye, quietly.
It is not the end. I will find a way to restore you. Anything is possible. Hanzo and I are living proof.
Please, don't bring me back as a machine. I can't live like this.
Machine or man, you have a warrior soul. As long as I am Grandmaster, the Lin Kuei will welcome you.
Then until we meet again.
They've escaped. We should pursue. First, we speak with Raiden.
Our Lady Kronika will get all the service she needs. But I can't quote a fee until I know the job.
You will see. Can you restore him?
There's some frame damage. Circuitry looks good. It looks like someone did a software wipe. Fixing that won't come cheap.
Once he is repaired, can he be replicated? Hundreds of times. Thousands.
That's a tall order.
But anything's possible. With the right help.
Serve Kronika, and she will provide.
Take the deal. Trust me. Otherwise, who can you trust? You weren't kidding. It's like a mirror, reflecting the past. How about that? Over 50 and still a ripper.
There's still the matter of our fee.
We get paid in the new era. Kronika will make sure the Black Dragon come out on top. Not only in the black market, in every market. Right then, let's get to business.
You reach your dad yet, kid?
The network's still down. I hate being so far away. Dad must be climbing the walls.
Be patient. You'll get through.
I know my dad's still alive, but it's like I'm seeing a ghost.
You and me both. But they aren't ghosts. Oh, they're definitely real.
Can this get any more bizarre?
White versus black, stupid history.
Come on. Come on.
Jackson Briggs. Do not fear. I have come to offer you a new life.
Feels like him invited to killing floor
That's
2.
awfully generous, seeing as
To
we've never
help.
met.
We have not met, but I know you. How valiantly you have served. How horribly you have suffered. That was not my plan for you.
Your plan?
You were to retire distinguished, not in disgrace. Years from now, General Jackson Briggs. More importantly, your daughter was not to serve, nor endure the same tragedies you have.
Dreamer loser shit.
Your home should be filled with grandchildren. Help me, and it will be.
The Tarkatans, long extinct, have also returned.
Shao Kahn will seek them out. He relies
Dream
on
on,
their power.
help world or
Kotal
die.
scouts tracked a Tarkatan war party to the Kaitin's lost hive, Devorah's ancestral home. Her hand in Shao Kahn's escape makes that our starting point.
Please advise me of what you learn. I must consult with the Elder Gods.
When do we leave?
Your duty lies elsewhere, Princess. I need you to enlist Queen Shiva. Her support is critical against both Kronika and Shao Kahn.
Surely you can...
Queen Shiva does not trust me. No Shokan has since my bloody battle with Goro.
Shiva's always respected your opinion more than anyone's.
Never
When she
trust
hears you
girls,
support
they use
Goro,
us
she'll
to
join
have
us.
better PFF future. For them.
If that is my duty, so be it.
Thank you, Princess.
Are you my friend or his consort?
It was my idea, Kitana. It's in your best interest. Succeed with Shiva, and Koda will pledge his loyalty to you. There's no bond more sacred to an Oshtek like him. She and I fight side by side against Shao Kahn. His oppression cannot stand.
Fight!
Did you think you could win? When called for a higher purpose, we must serve.
You will bleed for your betrayal.
Try coming back from this.
You okay?
I'll be fine. I come from tough stock.
Listen, what I said back at the base about the mission, it wasn't fair. You're a damn fine soldier. I'm so proud I can almost picture myself dating Johnny. Almost.
I wish I could go back. Do our last mission over.
It wasn't easy finding out how I'd die, or could die. But I reread the file. You followed orders, saved your squad. I'm just glad that my sacrifice saved Earthrealm. And you. Besides...
Into Lucy to pick, girls, they hate real guys.
I'll take the speed freak. We buried you in the Netherrealm. You a glutton for punishment?
It's only you and me this time. There's no castle to bury me under.
Think that hurt? You have no idea.
Fight.
I'm guessing that hurt worse.
No. Just too pretty.
You'll not disturb Kronika's work.
Disturb. Try ending.
You're done messing with the Well of Souls.
You're not as strong as you think, Jax. As I recall, Sindel made quick work.
I've got Kitana's BFF. I hear past you deserves respect, but this version, not so much.
Spare me your pity, Earth Realmer.
Fight!
No pain, no gain. Bitch, please. Pity's all I got for you. Enough dancing with the dead. Raiden said this Well of Souls would be underground.
This way.
Maybe she'll go there. What a killing string. Cicho kapaj, na strovi sedi, so ljudsko prosti nek 6.
This is Goro's lair?
Thankfully, mine is Goro. Shang Tsung kept me locked up here, back at my first tournament. Never thought I'd be back.
Remember where a Well of Souls might be?
Couldn't tell you.
And well or unwell.
A bit hazy.
Depends on unwell and the pants.
I'm guessing this is it.
That crown. $5 says it's Chronica's.
It's drawing souls from the well.
There's no way that thing's unguarded. Let's grab and go before whoever's on duty gets back.
I never left.
You don't make decisions. The white boy is making decisions. Game over. This round, you don't can win. A white boy.
In life, I was called beyond.
And I should know who that is.
The first Sub-Zero. Scorpion ripped out his spine. Left it in a heap upstairs in Shang Tsung's old throne room.
An event the new era will wipe from history.
Enough of this new era crap.
I don't like your face.
You're not rewriting
Ugly.
Victors write history, and I do not lose.
Fight.
That's my name, man.
Who's writing
history now?
Och du? Någon fana. Många har haft.
Let's get that thing and get out of here. And you sure as hell don't betray your family. Fight. Time's up, punk.
Snapsa luft.
There's gotta be a way to make this right.
Invincible.
He's out, but he'll recover. How are you?
Tripping. You?
Ditto. We can't leave him. Let's get him and the crown out of here.
If I never come back here, it'll be too soon.
What are you doing?
Stand back. We don't know what this thing will do.
That crown is meant for Kronika. Your human physiology cannot control its power.
Only got to wear this thing long enough to beat you.
Fight.
accomplished.
What a Bullshit. Selbst ohne den Scheiß wird ich sie besiegen.
You were warned. Mere mortals cannot control the crown.
Ja, dann nimm's doch den Scheiß.
But now you have forced
Schlampe,
my
dich
hand.
reiß ich in Stücke. Was bist denn du eigentlich? Staub gewinnt. Immer. Flamme verliert. Alle sind aus Staub. Na, scheiß auf sie. Die kommt wieder zurück. Was hast du nur getan? Jetzt hassen wir die Natur. Dann wirst du sterben.
The hell are you doing?
Give me the crown, and I will spare her. Don't!
Du Stück Scheiße.
Give it to her!
Ich werde dich nicht zerfetzen,
Her
wenn wir
life
so weit
is in
sind.
your hands.
Staub sind wir schon immer gewesen. Und du
Nobody here
wirst
wants to
Staub
hurt
werden.
anyone. Now please, don't let this happen to our girl.
Treasure Pressure. Ich habe eine andere Idee. Gib dir mal Plan C.
Now bring Jackie back.
Hätte ich anders gelöst. Du bist so gut wie tot.
How could you do this to me?
I'm not doing this to you, Jackie. I'm doing it for you.
Scheiß drauf. Die Fotze gehört gestört. Tötet.
Kronika awaits our return.
Ja. Fotze. Eine andere Schlampe, die getötet wird.
Come on. This fight isn't over.
Wollen wir die Schlampe jetzt einheizen oder nicht?
This will bring us our deliverance.
Das sind alles Verlierer. Genauso wie die Mafia. Sie gehören ausgelöscht.
Both of you. I sense apprehension, Jackson Briggs.
Bäh.
I'm not usually surrounded by...
Den Scheiß will ich gar nicht
You will
sehen.
not save the
Das
Jedi
langweilt
by
mich.
you.
Fight.
The Shaddai Ryu will not fall. The clan of imposters will indeed fall.
I've restored the Shirai Ryu. Built a clan that's never been stronger. On a foundation of pretenders and outsiders, Kronika told me. Without our original bloodlines, there is no Shirai Ryu. Our clan's massacre extinguished them. Kronika will revive the true Shirai Ryu in the new era. Do not trust Kronika. She uses your anger to enslave you.
You stupid idiot.
I let go my rage, and it saved me. To save yourself, you must do the same.
32 Sekunden.
Fight.
Gib mir deinen Kopf.
Past time you were freed. We both know what truly drives you. It's not Shirai Ryu pride. It's your wife and child. Harumi and Satoshi were stolen from me. Murdered. Seeing them again
You
is
an
all
idiot.
that matters. We share this pain. I fought through hell to end it. But Kronika's new era is not the remedy. She would resurrect Shinnok, the same devil who...
Bla 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 bla. Muss mal pissen gehen. Ich kenn kein Bier. Keine Auszeit. Es braucht sehr viel Magnesium, um mich wieder hochzubekommen. Und das habe ich doch hier irgendwo. Nennt sich Obst, Gemüse. Yum yum.
brought death to our family and clan. He cannot be allowed to return. When I revived the Shirai Ryu, I vowed our clan would ensure Earthrealm's protection. Help me keep that promise.
Du Vollidiot. Es wird Zeit. Eine Schlampe.
Poison.
Siehst du, was angerichtet hast? Realität versus Virtuality.
Now you die. Raiden is at the fire garden. Enlist Karan's aid. Bring Raiden's army to the keep. You must. You have my word.
Sightseeing.
The new Shirai Ryu are worthy. It's heart, not blood, that makes them warriors.
Your Shaolin masters, they're ready.
They will fight until the last man.
Bestehen aus Krieg.
Is likely what it will take.
There will not be a fight if Karan
Wir so weit gekommen.
Is there any word from Grandmaster Hasashi?
No.
Sie hatten Rüstungen. Sie haben nur mit Stein geworfen.
Wrong, Scorpion. This cannot be.
Wir brauchen keine Rüstung mehr.
Fire gardens.
Nicht mehr.
The Shirai Ryu are indeed restored.
Why are you here, Scorpion? Where is Grandmaster Hasashi?
He is dead.
Was wird passieren?
Come to finish us.
I understand your mistrust, but I am here to assist you.
I find that impossible to believe.
Du bist ja dumm. Als ich verlor, muss ich jetzt nochmal verlieren, oder was? Jetzt beweisen, dass ich ja ein Racheengel bin. Das ist sehr dumm von dir. Jetzt schon mein ganzes Potenzial zu verschwenden. Ich bin nicht der, der das schätzen kann. Aber wenn du meinst, immer wieder von neu. Meines Zwillingsbruders zuliebe. Voll Idiot. Ich bin nicht der Feind. Welcher Faxentyp hat mich gerade vertrieben? Ein Stück Scheiße, das sollst du mehr wissen. Du dummes Schwein. Auf dein Maul, du dummes Gewitter, Schwein.
Do you have proof of Charon's offer?
Only my word.
Your word is
Scheiße.
At the tournament, I
Du
trusted
bist derjenige, der uns die ganzen Menschen verrät, du Hurensohn. Wenn du heute verlierst, bist du ein Verräter der Menschheit. Was du schon immer warst. Stück Scheiße. Du verrätst die Menschen so oder so, wie du möchtest. Dein Gewitterchen und Gewölkchen. Hast noch nie kämpfen können. Geh dahin, wo du herkommst. Deine Sissy-Hut. Also, du beeindruckst mich mit dem Scheiß. Geh nach Hause. Du gehörst abgeschafft. Du möchtest die Menschheit retten? Gegenteil. Du lässt sie leiden. Du bist kein Verteidiger deiner Unwürde. Ein Betrüger, ein Cheater. Ein Betrüger. Du Stück Scheiße! Verpiss dich von unserem Planeten!
Lord Raiden, we should listen. He may be telling the truth.
There is only one way to
Scheiße!
find out.
Wie kannst du nur? Du bist der Verräter der Welt. Du willst doch nur Ehre und Macht.
Raiden, stop this!
Step aside, Liu Kang.
Put down the amulet.
Hast du das nicht kapiert?
Taking hold of you.
Er will uns alle nur vernichten.
Our time has run out. I do what I must to save Earthrealm.
Der Verräter.
Stay down.
Wir sind keine Tiere, du Schwachsinn. Du bestehst dich aus dem, was wir bestehen.
Do not interfere.
Fight.
Warum muss ich den Hurensohn spielen? Ha? Warum muss ich jetzt diesen Verräter spielen? Warum muss ich den Verräter jetzt spielen? Warum? Warum muss ich jetzt den Verräter spielen? Als würde ich die Hamas jetzt spielen. Ha, warum? Disney oder wer auch immer das produziert hat, gehört abgeschafft, geschlachtet, an die Wand gestellt, erschossen. Diese amerikanischen Arschlöcher gehören an die Wand gestellt und erschossen. Sie lieben es, Terroristen anzustellen, wie mit der Hamas. Scheiß Warner Brothers. Terroristen. %90 aller Amerikaner sind Terroristen. Für das europäische Volk. Terroristen. Mach dir keine eigene Meinung. Oder du bist ein Terrorist.
Do not force my hand, Liu Kang.
Das Spiel ist langweilig.
The realms hang in the balance. To defend them, I must command order.
I thought it impossible, but the Revenants were right.
Du bist ein Terrorist.
You cannot be trusted.
I do not need trust. I demand obedience.
Enough of your madness. If you must die, so be it.
Scheiß verdammter Terrorist.
This has happened before.
Halt das Maul. Du Terrorist. Kommt jetzt mit deinen Auskünften und deinen Ausreden.
Liu Kang, do not interfere. You cannot fight Shao Kahn. Liu Kang, stop!
Enough of your madness.
Deine Scheißbetrügerei. Die verarschen. Der Betrüger. Ein Betrüger. Der Typ ist ein Betrüger. Dieses Arschloch ist ein Russe. Ich hasse Russen. Was bist du, Betrüger?
Kronika's puppet. We only battle because she wills it.
Die Chinesen zählen nicht.
I must help him.
Sie betrügen überall. Sie werden atomisiert.
I was wrong to doubt you.
Sie wollen nicht, dass Menschen leben. Nur Europäer und Amerikaner wollen, dass die Menschen leben. Chinesen wollen uns weg von dem Planeten. Die wollen nur AI. Computer und Roboter, die beherrschen. Eine große fehlerhafte Entscheidung.
Plural?
Kronika has restarted time on countless previous occasions, using each
Chinesen können auf der Stelle wie Terroristen abgeschlachtet.
The details of
Sie
each
sind
timeline are
diejenigen,
different,
die uns
but in
beobachten.
each one, events conspire to bring Liu Kang and I
Und
into
einen
conflict.
Unheil
In each
anstiften.
one, he dies. Only Kronika has such
Russland gehört genauso zu den Chinesen.
I don't
Die
get it.
werden
Why
abgeschlachtet.
do that?
Wie
I
Vieh,
do not know.
wie sie mit ihren eigenen Soldaten tun.
Kronika will control us no longer.
Die wollen die Menschheit nur autonom. Wir wollen selbstdenkend leben.
At long last, you see the pattern.
Du Stück Scheiße hat nichts mehr zu sagen.
Why set me against Liu Kang?
Is it not obvious? Your combined power threatens my
Die
vision.
Götter quatschen alle, kotze ich wieder.
Liu Kang and I will not be
Ein
divided
Schnippschnapp
further by
sollte
your
euch einfach das Leben entzogen werden.
Oh, Raiden. Do you think this is the first time you made that vow? We have repeated this exact conversation so often in so many timelines. I've lost count.
This timeline will end differently.
We have played out all possible scenarios, Raiden.
Was werden wir denn ohne dich tun, du Schwuchtelschwein?
You are
Du transsexuelle Schwein.
But without
Das Universum anfängt zu fressen und zu nagen. Euch Götter zu flehen, das Titanen nicht zu begatten. Oder sie zu verfressen. Um Reinheit zu gewinnen. Aber es muss immer so Schlappschwänze wie euch geben, ihr Lesben-Schwuchtel. Mein Sohn will wieder aus dem scheißverdammten Kokosnüssen rauszulöffeln. Ach, du hast errollt. Ich hab die Schnauze voll von dem Spiel.
Liu Kang, where is he?
Kronika has taken him to her isle. We must leave immediately to save the realms. We must save Liu Kang.
A new look? Just for me? You shouldn't have. What do you want from me?
You will aid in my protection.
Not likely. I have mastered Shinnok's sorcery. I will add your soul strength to mine, and finally avenge myself upon Raiden.
My friends, Raiden's armies are coming. They will fight us, and they will lose.
Jackie's sake and mine.
Fight.
Let me help you. Kronika's promises to you are a cruel deception. She is the mother of Shinnok, the architect of your revenant enslavement.
But... no. She's Cetrion's mother.
Cetrion is Shinnok's sister. In Kronika's new era, Shinnok will be the darkness to balance Cetrion's light.
Which will only happen if the realms keep on fighting each other.
The prophetic noodler cheater Raiden gay shit.
What have I done? I'm a fool.
It is not foolish to fight for your family's betterment.
I'm sorry, Raiden. I promise to make this right.
High 6. Perfect to this URL.
I have died 1,000 deaths to prepare for this battle. My defeat is impossible. Yours, inevitable. Fight! I will suffer you no more. Drowning cannot kill me, Raiden.
That is unfortunate for you. The sea of blood is bottomless. You will fall forever.
Now do I have your attention, Raiden?
The warriors sinking your fleet are under my command.
You have made a devil's bargain with Kronika, Frost.
You ignored me my entire life. Kronika saw my talent from the start.
Fight.
envy and ambition consume you.
Such wasted potential.
The good she could have done, in command of these cyber Lin Kuei.
She commands them, not Sector. If so, she is linked to them. They follow her thoughts.
Then let them follow her to defeat.
Candy ass bitch.
Raiden's fleet nears our shores.
The two of you will command the army defending the beachhead.
Where will you be?
Land ho! Time after time, Kronika's schemes have pitted us against each other. That cycle must end, Liu Kang.
This time it will!
Your power. Is this Kronika's gift?
A gift to myself, you could say.
You stole your own soul. Perverted your own nature.
It's a lesson you taught me, Raiden. To fight my enemies by any means necessary.
Fight!
I have conquered the darkness within me. You must do the same.
You will have to kill me.
I would rather save you.
and I am not.
What happened to Raiden?
He is part of me, bound to my soul. He made me a god. For now, at least.
A god? Incredible.
Now he's out of her league.
My revenant counterpart. I have absorbed his knowledge of the Keep, of Kronika's plan. I know where to find the Hourglass. We can beat Kronika.
Out of desperation comes invention. I had not thought it possible for Raiden to surprise me. Our success is no longer certain. We must make haste.
This means I'm sorry, Jackie. And hell yeah, I'm back.
Victory is still at hand. The hourglass is nearly ready. You will prevent Liu Kang's interference, but you will require more assistance.
Whatever happens, I am honored to fight at your side.
Likewise, Liu Kang.
Me too, brother. May the Elder Gods protect us.
Fire. Combining with Raiden has the benefit of novelty, but it is also too little, too late. Regardless, your allies are gone, while mine remain to defend me. Finish him!
Earthrealm's Jinsei flows within you. Let it fuel your fire.
Now stand down. I have no wish to harm you.
Harm me.
You already killed me! My fate was sealed the moment I joined you at Raiden's side. It's a mistake I won't repeat in the new era.
Fight.
Our bond was no mistake. Your ego knows no bounds. I did not ask for this. It was thrust upon me. It should have been me, Liu Kang, from the beginning. Thanks to Kronika, it will be.
Fight!
Still you are alive.
Yes, Kronika. You were right to fear mine and Raiden's powers combined.
A demigod's power cannot rival that of an elder god. Cetrion! As you wish, Mother. You match me step for step.
Because your heart is not in the battle, Cetrion. You fight for your mother's vision. But as a goddess of virtue, you know that her desired balance is folly.
Heed me, Cetrion. He lacks our vision and wisdom.
Please. No virtue is served by condemning the realms to endless war.
The greatest virtue is abiding my mother's will, Liu Kang. I cannot fail.
Fight.
Behold!
Your heart betrays you, Cetrion.
I have failed you, dearest Cetrion. You have done admirably. Yet there is one final service to perform. Yes, Mother. I understand. You will be exalted in the new era, Cetrion. And you, Liu Kang, have failed! History rewinds, giving way to the new era!
No!
The realms as you knew them are undone, erased. You cannot save a future that no longer exists. There is only the new era!
Fight.
The realms will not fight your endless wars.
Fight me further and your friends are lost. They have no future unless I create it.
The future you offer is not worth living. It will not come to pass.
Fight.
Microphone on.
dawn of time. Here history ends and begins again. Behold the start of the new era. I had intended to leave your destiny intact, Liu Kang, until Raiden went and made you immortal. Now you cannot be ignored.
Fight!
Is finished, Liu Kang.
Lord Raiden.
I am merely Raiden now. You have proven worthy to take my place as the new protector of Earthrealm, once it is restored.
You honor me, Raiden.
The honor is mine, Lord Liu Kang. The sands of time are now yours to shape. It falls upon you to architect a new history.
The fate of all realms in my hands? Raiden, I cannot do this alone.
I shall advise you for as long as my mortality allows. But have no doubt, you are up to the task.
Then together, let us begin.